Shelter-in-place warning. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service, the Dallas-Fort Worth Police Department, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. An unusual event has been occurring in downtown Dallas as unknown human beings are falling out of the sky from a cloud with unknown origins. These human beings are exactly like what we see, but they seem to be deceased before they have hit the ground. The National Weather said that it is unknown when will the event end, but the expected time would be 6 hours. Although this event might be harmless, all residents within the Dallas city limit are advised to seek shelter as soon as possible. Stay tuned to local media outlets for this unusual situation. Immediate evacuation for the entire district of Dallas-Fort Worth area. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Dallas-Fort Worth Police Department. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. 15 minutes after the storm passed, the unknown human beings that became alive and became extremely hostile and will attack anyone in sight. All residents within 15 miles of the Dallas city limit are advised to evacuate as soon as possible. Take the following items that are important for your trip: food that lasts 7 days, water, clean clothes, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, and a flashlight or lamp of any kind. Bringing any other items that aren't mentioned are not recommended as it can slow you down. Sheltering in place is not recommended, but if you choose to do so, remember to take the following items that are important for your trip. Repeat, 15 minutes after the storm passed, the unknown human beings that became alive and became extremely hostile and will attack anyone in sight. All residents within 15 miles of the Dallas city limit are advised to evacuate as soon as possible. Evacuate now.